do it.
Hi. Oh! You spit a little bit of it. Are you getting to be done? You're doing such a good job.
You are doing a really good job.
Hi, cutie pie. Hi. Oh. You get it now? You want some more?
You're such a big girl. You are such a big girl.
You are so good. Oh, what was that?
Too much?
What was that? Are you hamming it up now? Are you hamming it up? Is that what you're doing? Another one? You want more? Oops. I kind of jumped the gun on that one. Sorry, button.
Are you getting done with the peas?
Are you
about done with these peas? Yeah, that's a great mix from formula, but I think I'm about done. I think I'm about done with these peas.
One more? You want one more? One more? Oh, such a good girl.
She's done with the peas.
She's like, oh, I'm done. I'm so done with it.